Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this one, I'm actually going to show you how to make a nice pizza on your smoker, your barbecue, or your home oven. So what you need is one of these here. This is called a pizza steel, and this is what you use here. So this one's brand new, but after you season it, it looks something like this. This one we probably cooked about, I don't know, 5 pizzas so far on this steel, and that's how it looks so far. So yeah, let's close the lid, let it preheat, and let's get started. So while this thing's heating up, I'm actually going to show you guys how to make a nice and easy pizza dough recipe. All you need is some plain Greek yogurt, some self-rising flour, and that's it. So go ahead and use equal amounts of each. For this one, we're going to use 1 cup of each. So just put the ingredients into a bowl and mix together. And you're going to want to put some flour on your hands too while you're handling the dough so it doesn't stick to your hands as much. So go ahead and make it into a nice ball. And then put a little more flour on it. And then set it aside for a little bit while the steel preheats. So this recipe will make 2 pizzas. So we're going to go ahead and cut the ball in half here and start making the first pizza. So yeah, go ahead and work the dough into the size of the pizza that you want. And then next, what you want to do is actually add some flour to your pizza peel so it slides off easier. Then you have the rest of your ingredients. So after you apply the amount of sauce you want, go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese to it. And so what I like to do is actually, for the first layer of cheese, just add enough to where it just hides the sauce, because we're going to add more once we have the rest of the toppings. So go ahead and add that second layer of cheese on top of your pizza. Next, we're going to head outside and get a quick temperature check on the pizza steel. Looks good. Now notice how I slide the pizza on. I use a spatula from behind and slide it on. Okay, so next we're going to set our timer for 5 minutes on the Traeger app and let it chill. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. That's how it looks so far. We're actually going to scoot it towards the back a little bit where there's more heat and let it cook some more. Okay, so here's how we're looking so far. Looking pretty good. This pizza is actually for my brother, so he's calling it good. So he's gonna go ahead and pull it off now. And he must think he's Popeye because he added some spinach to his pizza. Next pizza going in. This one has anchovies on it. And then while we're waiting for my pizza to cook, let's check out my brother's pizza here with the spinach. Wow, looking pretty good, huh? Look at that slice. Check out the crust real quick. Ooh-wee! Looking good, huh? Okay guys, the anchovy pizza is done. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of spinach here. And boom, there's what we got. Looks good, huh? Listen to the sound of that crust. Man, that was a good pizza. So there you go, guys. Now you know how to make a nice pizza on your Traeger. All you need is one of our pizza steels, and we'll put a link down in the description so you guys can check them out. Until then, we'll see you guys in the next video.